Welcome to Low Key PD. In this video, we're going to explore the page setup options in Google Docs. If you go to File, and then go almost all the way to the bottom, click on Page Setup, you'll notice you have two options at the top, Pages or Pageless, and you can apply that to either the whole document, or if you have certain content selected in the document, you can also apply it to just selected content. We'll look at Pages first. So if you want your Google Doc to be formatted with typical pages, you can set the orientation to be either portrait or landscape. If you need it to be on paper that's something other than 8.5 by 11, you have options for different paper sizes. You can change the page color. This might be effective if you're not going to print it. If you are going to print it, make sure you have a color printer available, or it could look kind of funny. And you can set the margins for your pages. One nice thing about this is once you have a design that you like and a page setup that you like, you can set it as the default, and then all of your Google Docs will open up with that exact same page setup. But we also have this pageless option. So if we click on the pageless option, the way this is described is that it allows you to add wide images and tables and consume the content without the interruption of page breaks, which may be handy. You can also change the background, but if you have large images, things like that, I've had it before where either the page just wasn't right and the image, it was tough to make it look right, or there was a table of data and it was much too large for the page, and then trying to format that didn't look right. There are ways around that. You may not be able to print it, or at least maybe it won't look as nice, but you can make a copy of this document and have one of them be pages and one of them be pageless, so that you can share both copies appropriately with those who need them. So those are the page setup options in Google Docs. So you can pretty much customize how your Google Docs will appear for you when you create a new doc.